Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a small Super Tarts haul, but I feel like these small Super Tarts hauls are starting to add up into one big collection. So let's just jump right into it. I have more Super Tarts coming, and yeah, I'm liking everything that I'm getting. I'm liking kind of reintroducing myself to Super Tarts. So like some of the scents I overlooked before and I was like, nope, not buying that one because I know I don't like that scent. But recently I've kind of been putting myself out there a little bit more, and yeah, I'm liking what I'm getting. So the first thing I have is Rory. I can't say that right. I have trouble saying my R's. I had to go to speech for it and I still can't say the R's correctly, so I'm not even saying that right. But I think this is Persimmon. I want to say it's like strawberry Pop-Tarts and something else. I didn't prepare. I am unprepared. I love her persimmon. She did a persimmon saltwater taffy as like one of her one-offs, and I thought that smelled freaking amazing. This smells really good. I do get the persimmon and that strawberry like Pop-Tart. That smells really bright and fruity. Not overly fruit though. I like persimmon as a fruit, as a scent note. It's really good. So Stark is one I haven't had in a long time. It is spun sugar, champagne, and sweet berries. I think the scent notes used to be something like cotton candy frosting, champagne, sweet berries, and then she had like smoking hot babe with cotton candy lip gloss or something like that. It was really cute how she had it written down. This is just a really fresh, like, I say fresh because of the champagne. To me, it almost smells more like a ginger ale, but it's champagne. To me, it's just really fresh with that berry scent, and then the cotton candy like sweetens it up a little bit. So it's not overly berry or strong dominant berry. It's just really nice. I liked this one when I warmed it before, I remember briefly. This one is new to me, and this one I'm not 100% sure about. This is Bewitched. This is rosemary fresh mint, which I guess is rosemary mint, pear, jasmine, chiffon musk, and vanilla orchid. I wish I had looked up scent notes, the old scent notes, to see if there's something in here that I don't know, like maybe it's rosemary mint and just one thing. These new scent notes are kind of throwing me off a little bit, but what are you gonna do? I like that she does break it down though, so that way if you like, instead of saying just like rose jam dupe, you can recall like what the scent notes are. So this one to me, I definitely get the rosemary mint. I feel like the scent is not going the way I want though. Like I feel like, I guess it's pink chiffon. I don't always love that, and this one smells a little bit, I don't know, it smells kind of like pink chiffon. To me sometimes can be a little bit too floral. I don't know, the rosemary mint's there. I don't like the way the rosemary mint is kind of messing with the chiffon, the pink chiffon. So I don't know, I'm gonna reserve judgment on that one until I warm it, because you know, maybe it'll smell better. I'm not sure. I don't love that one straight off the bat though. Okay, so I did grab some more 90210. I did grab this one before. I think the correct, because I was struggling with what the scent notes were. I think it was peach coconut smoothie, seaside, and what was the last thing? And I think cotton candy. Yeah, I think it was peach coconut smoothie, cotton candy, and seaside. I think that's what the original was. I don't know, because this one wasn't one of my favorites and I didn't like have a lot of it, or I always overlook this one too. So this one, when I got it, I was like, wait a second, I don't remember it smelling like this at all. The first time I had this, the seaside was, whoa, it was like, seaside was not my favorite scent. But now that I have it again, I mean, it smells great. It smells really, really good. The peach isn't dominant, the coconut's not dominant, it's very light in there, the seaside is not overbearing. It's just like a very sweet scent. I don't know, I like it. I can smell the seaside just a little bit in there. Everything is pretty light, so, but I have a feeling that when you warm it, it gets stronger. So I did grab, let's see, I grabbed 3 of those total, which Probably not necessary, but I figured what the heck. Also too, is you can notice the colors are all different of all three of those. So I think she's gone to like a lighter dye. I don't know. I haven't seen any like black or dark dyes yet. Oh wait, never mind. Just as I say that, here it is. So she does have one dark dye. We'll see how that does. I know some people can't do the darker dyes, but we'll see. It's Always Sunny. So this one's new to me too. It's passion fruit, lychee, vodka, and jackfruit. I don't know why I can't read today. I don't know. This one just sounded interesting. I've never had a vodka scent. So this one, wow. This one is, it's definitely fruity. And I feel like that vodka is what's giving me kind of a, what's the word? It's more mature than like a ginger ale. You know how like ginger ale and like champagne are kind of more fun, fruity, like they're usually mixed with like fruits and whatnot. I feel like the vodka is more mature. So it gives it more of like a mature scent than like a fun ginger ale type scent, if that makes any kind of sense. I don't know. I kind of like this. It's a little bit like, it's got a bitter note to it, which I think might be from that vodka scent. Yeah, because everything else in there is pretty fruity, so. Okay, and so this was I had already ordered from the pre-order, but I went ahead and ordered from the ready to ship. Rose Tyler, I love this one. I already know this. I haven't warmed it, but I just like the scent notes. The way it smells, I mean. Champagne, white grape, lime, orange, rose, geranium, pink sugar. I'm trying to remember, I wanted to go look and see what the original scent notes of this was, because something in here is like, I am loving, but I don't know what, I think it's the geranium, because something in here, oh man, like this smells so freaking good. I had asked during the pre-order, and then I decided not to pre-order it, but people on the pre-order were saying that they liked it, and I need to go back and see what people said because I don't remember, but oh, it's got this like really feminine, oh, I almost want this in a perfume. Wow. I was thinking the rose geranium might be rose jam, but I don't think that's it. I feel like I would know rose jam, but maybe I don't. I think it's the geranium in here. Oh my goodness. It smells, it's not too sweet girly. It's like a more sophisticated. Oh man, I hope this warms as good as it smells on cold, because sometimes, you know, with these like strange notes that you smell on cold, you get them warm and you're like, what the hell? What even happened? Berrylicious is blackberry, strawberry, spun sugar, lemon twist. And this is one that she does like these special blends when she does her pre-orders. So this one I like okay. The lemon twist smells kind of like lemon curd-ish to me. Is lemon curd-ish even a word? I don't know. But it definitely has the lemon twist. Like that's what I'm smelling like predominantly. I do get the other fruity notes, but like my nose picks up lemon curd scent. Even though it may not be lemon curd, it may just be lemon twist. And maybe it'll be okay because I do like lemon scents when they're sugared, or you know, and maybe now that I think about it, it kind of reminds me of that Meyer lemon basil from Walmart. It kind of has that same thing, so I might like this okay. Like I said, I'm not really getting the blackberry strawberry, so. All right, so that is it. That is my little teeny tiny haul, but as it's adding up, I'm like, oh my gosh, like I'm getting a lot of Super Tarts in. Super Tarts, seriously, is just a class act, you know? She's not a messy vendor. It seems like recently there's been a lot of messiness happening in the wax community as far as like with vendors and whatnot, and I don't know, like I'm so glad like I I'm so glad like I kind of stick with like my tried and true as people I purchase from on the regular, because I know they're not messy. Like they just have established themselves as good, solid vendors, and that's who I want to support and help, and you know, whatever. So yeah, always love having Super Tarts in my house. It's just, yeah, I really like her stuff. I don't mean to sound like a fangirl either, because I know there's been some comments about people are always fangirling over Super Tarts. Well, there's a reason, I think, why people fangirl over Super Tarts, because it's just good crap. Like, I mean, there's nothing else to say. It warms well, it's strong. She's got a variety of scents, definitely some of my favorites. Now, I'm not going to sit here and say I love everything she does. You know what I mean? Like, some people are over the top when they're like, I love everything from XYZ vendor. No, that's not the case. Some of my favorite scents come from her, and I will continue to repurchase those. She's not messy. She's a good person. And I don't always need to know the person behind the scene, but it's good to know that she is a good person. And yeah, I feel like I'm going on a tangent, or ramble fest, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, you know, if you haven't tried her in a while, give her a try. I mean, she's constantly evolving and changing. I know there was, I've seen before comments where people didn't have good interactions with her, or maybe not her, but maybe, you know, the company just in general. And honestly, like, she's a person, a human, constantly evolving and improving her business. And yeah, if you haven't tried her, give her another shot. Like, just give her another shot. Yeah, there's no harm in, you know, placing like a 3 or 4 order clamshell order, or you know what I mean. So she's quick, she's quick getting her stuff out. She doesn't mess around. Like, I feel like I'm getting orders from her every week. And yeah, okay, I'm done. I'm off the box, and I'm on my way. I need to get on with my day. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. And if you ordered anything from this pre-order, I think it was a fruity tropical berry. I think that's what it was. I can't remember. I need to write this stuff down, because I don't remember jack unless I write it down. But if you ordered anything and you found a favorite, definitely let me know. I think my favorite out of here is Rose Tyler, but I haven't warmed it yet, so I'm not sure. 90210 is a favorite, but Rose Tyler is like the standout for me. So we'll see. I'll come back with a review like in a couple months, maybe half a year. I don't know. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.